Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use iCloud mail rules. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for iCloud mail and click on the first link. Make sure that you're logged in into the account, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this setting or gear icon and click on settings, and as you can see there is the rules button. Simply click on that and now click on add new rules. So let me just explain to you what rules are. So for example, if you have some organized folders, so as you can see I have a trading folder that I've made. So for example, if I had another one, let's say investing, right? And if I would get mails from people I know in the trading industry, then I want to make it so it goes to trading. If I do get the same mails from the people in or investors, I can simply go ahead and put it on this one. But I have to do it manually, which is the big problem. And if I don't want to do it, I can simply go ahead and create rules. So for example, if I click on rules, click on add, rule name, so for example trading, so message is from, and then you can add the emails of the people that you know, right, in the trading industry. And what you can do is move to folder action and just move it to trading. So click on done and just click on add, and that is it. You have the rule ready. So if the mail comes from this email, it just goes to trading directly. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.